the formula do?
I'm going to say equals. When you're writing the formula, you have to first put an equal sign. So I'm going to write an equal sign here, and then I'm going to say sum. I'm going to write the word sum. Are you seeing the word sum? If it appears there, you click on it, double click on it, and then you have to enter the numbers that you want to add. So first we're going to add the total marks of BLT and midterm. I'm going to come here, just click on BOT and select also midterm at the same time. Then I press enter. Are you seeing? So now it has given me the total of this one, 90 plus 85. It has given me 175. Let me repeat this one again. Pay attention. I'm going to click on the, press the equal sign button, and then I'm going to click the sum. As Amanda told us, getting the average, you have to first get the sum of the items divided by their total number. So we are trying to get the sum of the items. Sum means addition. Then I'm going to open the first bracket and then select these two that I want, like this, and then I press enter. It will give me the total. So another interesting thing with Excel here now, I'm not going to do for all the other items. I've only done for Hassan. Now for the rest, it will do it automatically, just like we did last with the numbers. I'm going to come here at the edge of this cell. As you can see, make sure the plus sign appears. Then just drag up to the end. Boom. Everything is done.
Is there also a code for finding average?
Yes, it's there also for finding average. You're going to do that. So I say this is how you can get the total. So let us also get the total marks here. For example, if I want to get some total marks here, let's say right here total. Yes. Okay. I'm going to get the total marks from here. So can you tell me what I'm supposed to do? I want to get the total marks of all these ones, all your marks. Yes.
If you say equal sum,
Thank you. Equals sum.
then you start clicking on the numbers.
First, I have to open the bracket. If I don't open the bracket, it will not work. I'm going to open the bracket like this. Then I put the numbers from you. I'm going to drag up to down, up to Valerie. I see. Then I'm going to press enter. Alternatively, another way, you can say equals sum, open your bracket. Then if you know where your number is, for example, midterm is on cell D5. I see midterm is on cell D5. So when I click on it, it's going to give me the what? Then the name of the cell, it's D5. 2, then I'm going to put this full colon like this. D5 to D13 where Valerie is. I see. You can write it manually, but selecting it is better. Then I press my enter, it will give me my total. So now lastly, we're going to end with the average. Average, Amanda told us, it's the sum of items divided by the total number. So there are two ways here. You can do it manually by saying equals, you open your bracket, and then you select this total here, and then you put your division sign, and then you put 2, because we are dividing it by 2. Then I press my enter button. So it will give me the average. Then to get the rest, I can just drag up to the end. I will get your marks. But that one is a bit confusing. So let me just take the easy one. You're going to press equal sign, and then you write the word average. If it appears, just click on it, and then the bracket will open automatically. So you're not going to use the total, but you're going to come and click BOT and midterm. Then you press enter. It will give you the average. Then you just drag up to the end to get your average mark. Let me repeat this again. To get the average of beginning of term and midterm, we are going to say equals average. Double click on it here, it will open, and then you select your items. You select your items like this, it will do the magic for you because the formula is already in the code. Have you understood? You drag. So what? Yes, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, so but practice, if you practice, I will send you an assignment to practice, then you will learn better. So now, I don't want these decimal points. What do I do to remove the decimal points? When you come up here where you're seeing this word general, still under the home tab, when you come here, you will see these icons here that increase decimal or decrease decimal. So I'm going to decrease the decimal. When I click here, my decimal points will disappear. It will round off automatically. For example, Hassanat 87, when I say decrease, it will round off. As you can see, your marks are also changing accordingly. The one, it will round off 94, 93, 95, like that. Yes. Basically, we shall stop here for today.
Teacher, the code for adding has refused.
For adding has refused?
Yes.
Maybe you have not done it very. I said you have to say equals sum, then open brackets, and then select the numbers that you're supposed to add. The cells are supposed to add.
Yes.
Yes. So I beg to stop here so that you can continue with other classes. So next time we shall learn how to. Of course, they're already organized in a table, but you can still make what we call borders. Yes. Whoever has been attending.
So what was the code for average?
It is equals average, then open bracket and select the items. You get it? Don't worry, it's just the beginning, an introduction, but if you don't practice, you're not going to get it if you don't practice. Please practice. I will send you an assignment and make sure you practice. Thank you so much for paying attention, and I think we should close with a prayer since we not start with a prayer. Abe, close the class with a prayer and we go. We have 1 minute. Anyone ready? Our time is going.
Yeah, but after clicking on, after saying sum is equals sum bracket, then when I click on the number, it only brings that number. If I click on the other number, it changes the one which I clicked.
You have to drag, you have to click and drag. Hold, you have to hold your mouse for doing it. You don't hold and drag. I'm going to send you the video now and then you can follow. Thank you.